Hey, it's Miss Alana working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. Now, you should have already seen the video where I gave you today's math assignment. It looks just like this. So if you have not seen that, go back and find that video. All right, so that's when I give you the assignment. This video right here is me going over the work. It's a tutorial of how to do these problems. So, do you have your piece of paper? All right, do you have your piece of paper and your pencil to write with? All right, check. If not, go get that now. Pause the video, go get that, and make sure you have these problems worked out. And you can watch this video as help while you're doing the problems, or you can go ahead and do all the problems and then come check your work with the video. All right, all right, ready? So let's begin. Let's look at number one. Oh, let me go back. The directions were to what? To multiply the following problems and then check your answer by using repeated addition. So there are 5 problems. You should do each one 2 different ways by multiplying and adding. And I did tell you to do what? To always check your work by doing it again, and check your work by using a calculator, okay? So let's look at number 1. So let's multiply 64 times 5. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to write it correctly. We cannot multiply vertically like this. Well, maybe you can do it mentally, but it is so much easier if we write it vertically. That means straight up and down. And I'll write it right here. No, I need a pen. All right, 64 times 5. So write it vertically, and we are going to use the standard algorithm. That means kind of like the regular way that you know how to multiply or that you learn. So I write it like this, and we multiply this digit by the digit in the ones place. 5 times 4, which is 20. What do I write here? I write the 0 here, and I put the 2 up here. So I'm done multiplying the 5 and 4. Now I multiply the 5 times the 6, which gives me 30. 30 times 2 is 32. All right, so our answer is 320. So that is multiplying to find the answer. Now we need to do the other way, which is by using repeated addition. And how do we do that? I need to write 64. How many times? 5 times 64 plus 64 plus 64. What's it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times just like that. Okay? Now, let's add. Which digit do we add first? The digits in the ones place, right here. So we are going to do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. You can do it many different ways. You can do 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus another 4 is 20. Hey, use your fingers if you need to. If you need to do like little tally marks or tick marks, you can do that, all right? Or you notice it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 fours. I can do 4 times 5, which is 20. So any strategy that works best for you, different ways to do it. And sometimes some are quicker, some are more efficient. So the better you get with math, the better you learn how to do better strategies that work out even more efficiently for you. So we said that's what, 20. Write the 0. We'll carry the 2 up here. And then we can do 2 plus 6 is 8. And then plus 6 is, use your fingers if you need to, that's what? 14 plus 6 is 20, plus 6 is 26, and then plus 6 more is 32. Or you can do the 6's first. 6 and 6 is 12, plus another 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24, plus 6 is 30, and then add that 2 is 32. Or we can count all the 6's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 6 is 30, plus that 2 up top is 32. Bam, right there. All right, now it matches up. Last thing we can do is get a calculator. Oh, I forgot my calculator. Let me go get my calculator. Go get yours if you don't have it. All right, running back carefully. All right, so I have my calculator right here. Let me punch that in. 64. Can you see that? 64 Oh, what happened? Times 5 equals, oh, right there, 320. Or I can do what? 64 plus 64 plus 64 plus 64 plus 64 equals, bam, 320. Got the right answer. So we are done with number 1. Now, if now you know how to do the work and you can handle the rest of it on your own, go ahead and do that. Work out the rest on your own. If you need more help, I'm going to do the next video for number 2. All right, see you then.